Hi everyone, what you doing? So now I helping my mom to cutting some tempeh to make some taste, and my mom peel off some baby corn. Actually, I don't know what my mom makes today, but looks like so delicious because I always make the dish very delicious for me. To buy some lunch box for me, go to work, and yeah. Do you know, guys? Tempeh is high protein from the seitan, and this is good for your health. But don't always eating Korean everywhere because it's too much oily. Oily. So next is peeling off some onion, garlic, or choosing some chili. Chili. Chili chili. Yay, done. Temper fries is done. Let's put on the basket. This is the basket. It's called tutting in my region. Put on the basket. Put on. Put in. Put into the basket, everyone. Ta-da! Okay, next we're gonna put up some onion and garlic. This is onion or salad, not salad, shallot. So I don't know how to correctly to pronounce this brown shallot, onion. You know what? When you peel off this onion, it makes you cry. You suddenly feeling a blue within because the shallot having something that make you cry. What? What? Temper price. Nap